So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You see Gano, my cousin. Who misses Gano? Who misses Gano? Tell me.
Everyone.
Like everyone.
Yeah.
Yep. Everyone.
We came to our village and we did so many reels. We posted it also. Please see.
We only did like 2 of those with us, but I only did some of them.
But for the last one, we did so much trials.
I'm thinking to do a anxiety video that I put a no one there. That one. And if you want to know,
And we did dress code also.
Yep. And if you want to know who is the oldest and the youngest, everyone would think she is the oldest, but I am the oldest. Yep.
She is 3 months older than me.
And she is like
Heighter than me, like what taller?
like tall.
See the shoulder.
How did she grow like this? Yep. So if you like a video, like, subscribe, and the anxiety video will come soon. So bye.